Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the 2020 Hyundai Venue SE. This vehicle competes against the Nissan Kicks and also the Kia Soul and the Hyundai Kona. So my question for today's video is, how does this vehicle compare to the other competition? So start off under the hood of the Venue. This has a pop rod hood. This is a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder, makes 121 horsepower, 113 foot-pounds of torque. It's also paired with a CVT transmission. As this one sits, it weighs 2,577 pounds. Fuel economy is 30 in the city, 32 on the highway, and 34 combined. So starting the front fascia of the 2020 Hyundai Venue, this exterior color is an intensive blue. I actually like how the actual headlights, the actual turn signal is divorced from the actual headlight itself. You also have these incandescent turn signals with these projector halogen headlights with this incandescent high beam here. I actually like the Cascade waterfall grille with the Hyundai emblem. I actually like it has this black cladding to give it more of a rugged look. Like I said, this vehicle competes against the Nissan Kicks and also the Kia Soul and the Hyundai Kona. We're going to take a look at the side profile of the Hyundai Venue. So on the side profile of the Hyundai Venue, starting with these wheels, these are a 185/65 15-inch rim. If you don't really care about actual protecting these wheels here, because these are plastic covering wheels, you also have these incandescent side markers here. Your wheelbase is 99.2 with an overall lift of 159.1. We're going to take a look at the rear of the Hyundai Venue. The rear of the Hyundai Venue, starting off with the rear back here, you also have this rear blade here to keep the rear window clean. You also have your Venue name spelled out with your Hyundai emblem back here. Apologies. You also have this incandescent lighting for your tag. You also have a stand-up backup camera. You click this little hatchback, the button back here. You also have 18.1 cubic feet of space. When you let those seats down, you have around 33.1. And another function is that I like, you can actually take the actual cargo display back here. You can pull it down. If I can get it right, guys, hold on, give me a second. I'm struggling here. You also push it down like this. Hyundai actually gives you a spare tire, no flick to flat kit. You also can drop the floor storage down or to raise it up to give you more cubic feet of space. We're going to take a look at the interior of the Hyundai Venue. Walking up to the 2020 Hyundai Venue, I actually like this exterior color, like I mentioned. The interior in here is a black on black, which I think is really nice. Denim trim, if I'm not mistaken. You can get a sunroof, but not a panel sunroof. But your materials on your door here are going to be a hard touch plastic. You also have this brushed aluminum door handle. You also have your mirror switches here, your lock controls, and you also have your window controls here. It is express up, express down. I'm sorry, it's just express down, but not express up, only for the driver. You also have this cup holder here with more additional storage. It is a 6-way manual adjustable seating for the driver with a 4-way for the passenger. But get inside the Venue here, closing the door. Has a nice solid slam to it. Actually sit a little higher than, I feel like this is way more compact compared to the actual Kia Soul that I've reviewed. You also have your dimmer switches here, lane keep assist, stability control. You also have your headlight controls here. Turn signal stock, wind wiper stocks on this side. I actually like how it has the traditional tachometer and speedometer layout here, which I think is really nice. You also have this LCD display in the center here. You can cycle through it with the click of this switch here. You can look at your digital speedometer, driver information, fuel economy, just your normal assistance things that you would definitely want to look at on your drive. You also have voice command, radio presets here, volume control, phone controls here. You also have your Hyundai emblem here as well. I like how it has the silver trim here with this steering wheel, which is a manual telescoping, which is really nice. Your upper part of your dashboard here is going to be a hard touch material. Actually, it has like this rubberized material in certain spots, which I think is nice. But you won't be really touching this area up here. Your instrument panel is going to be a hard touch plastic as well. This beats the other competition. 8-inch display with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Click all menus here. Like I mentioned, you guys see the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. I have heart buttons here for your radio, media, sync, track. You also have a start button here. You also have a setup button. You also have your hazard lights here. You also have this big volume knob with this tiny little tuning knob. I have single zone climate control, putting the venue to reverse. You also have this backup camera here with trajectory, also with distance marker, no rear parking sensors, unfortunately. You also have this CVT transmission with manual mode, put it back into park. You also have this traditional handbrake here with 2 cup holders, a 12-volt USB, this storage compartment here. Your glove box is damped, but it's not lined with felt. I wish my particular Tesla actually had the sunroof, but you want to have heated seats, cool seats. You have to go with the denim trim, which I think is nice, which gives you the two-tone roof with the two-tone mirror caps. You also have the seats here which are cloth, which I think they hold you in place. They're not aggressively bolstered. It has a nice feel to them, even though they're cloth. You also have this little center console here, which has a decent fair amount of storage, but you actually don't have a lid on this particular trim. We're gonna look at those back seat and see how they actually feel. So getting to the back seat of the Hyundai Venue, closing the door here, has a nice solid slam to it. The materials back here are gonna be a hard touch plastic. Also have this brushed aluminum door handle, nice quality mirror switch, nice grab handle. You also have one cargo mat pocket back here. There's no rear cup holders back here, no rear armrest. I mean, there is rear cup holders back here, I'm sorry, they're actually in the door. You don't get rear an armrest back here to rest your arms, but the seats and stuff back here, even though they're cloth, they have a nice material to them. We're gonna take the Venue out and see how it actually performs. So start off in the 2020 Hyundai Venue SE. The steering is nice and light, very quick, no body roll. I have great visibility from the front with this thin A-pillar here, great visibility out the back, even though this car sits a little lower that I noticed, but it definitely needs a little bit more horsepower. It sounds good, don't get me wrong, but it is lacking in horsepower. Like I mentioned before, it makes 121 horsepower with 113 foot-pounds of torque. The ride quality here is good. Only thing that you're really gonna hear a lot is just the tires being on the road, but I don't actually hear no wind noise or anything like that. But this car has a nice ride quality. Like I mentioned before, the steering has nice feedback. It's very light, no body roll, anything like that. It also has Hyundai's safety sense, which includes emergency braking, lane keep assist, lane monitoring. I don't know, this thing runs smooth. It's chilly. Right. This car is great. It drives good. It's very narrow. So after driving the 2020 Hyundai Venue SE, what I noticed is that this car is lacking in horsepower, but it has a nice ride quality, great driving assistance from the lane keep assist, emergency braking, which is standard Hyundai equipment. So we're talking pricing for the 2020 Hyundai Venue SE. Base price starts off at $18,450. This also has some additional equipment. The cargo tray, which is $115. You also have carpeted mats, which is $135, with the destination charge of $1,095. Looking at a grand total of $19,845. I'd like to give a special thanks to Kishawn for providing me with the vehicle. If you're in the market for a 2020 Hyundai Venue SE, you can come to Homestead of Hyundai and ask for Kishawn. This is my full review on the 2020 Hyundai Venue SE. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Driver Reviews, and please keep subscribing to Driver Reviews YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications. I catch you guys in the next video.